Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. Fix 1. Steps to fix sound problem in Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core. So open Windows settings. On the left click on System, then click on Sound. Scroll down. Under Advanced option click on More Sound Settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, then click on Properties. Go to the Spatial Sound tab and from the drop down first select Off option, then hit on Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, and if Spatial Sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Makes your sound levels in game is set to 100%. So launch the game and then look for the audio settings within the Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3. Steps to fix audio problem in Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So this is for the Bluetooth headphones users. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select More devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Then go to the Services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then click on Apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you're using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for improvement. Fix 5. Disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to solve sound or audio issues in Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.